My name is Tyan, and today I want to talk about endangered animal species. The endangered animal species I'm talking about today is the Amur leopard. The Amur leopard is a species of big cats in the family of animals including tigers and jaguars. The Amur leopard lives in the snowy mountains of southern Russia and northern China. The Amur leopard could run very fast, up to 60 kilometers per hour. The Amur leopard is also very well suited to living in cold climates since the Amur leopard's habitat is the snowy mountains. The Amur leopard is considered to be the rarest big cat on Earth. The Amur leopard is listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. So, what are the threats affecting this animal? The first is habitat loss, because farmers sometimes burn down their forests, which are their habitats, to make more space for farming and livestock. The second reason is factories, houses, and roads, which are built in the Amur leopard's habitat, which are the forests. These can severely damage the Amur leopard's habitat or even completely destroy them. The third and biggest problem until now are poachers that hunt the Amur leopard for their valuable fur. Because of this, animal rescuing teams and anti-poaching brigades have been established in the Amur leopard's habitat to prevent poaching happening at any cost. So, what can we do to protect the Amur leopard? We can donate to nature conservation organizations or organizations that help the Amur leopard. It is recommended to only donate to reputable organizations like the WWF, the World Wildlife Fund, or the Amur Leopard and Tiger Fund. The second thing you can do is to inform people you know to say no to Amur leopard fur products. You can also look very carefully at the components label of a clothing product to see if you can spot any leopard fur or leopard hide. If you can, you should immediately contact a nature conservation organization and the local law enforcement. The third thing you can do is to write blogs or post the importance of conserving and protecting the Amur leopard. Always remember that one person cannot do much, but a big community can. Thank you for watching my presentation.